Hello, how are you? Awesome. All right, let's do a quick lesson. I, eyes, eyes. Good job. Eyelash, eyelash. Eyelashes, eyelashes. Okay? I, eyes, I, eyes. Eyelash, eyelash. Eyelashes, eyelashes. Very good. I have 2 eyes. I have 2 eyes. Your turn. I have 2 eyes. Again. I have 2 eyes. Very good. My eye hurts. My eye hurts. Your turn. My eye hurts. One more time. My eye hurts. Good job. My eyelashes are long. My eyelashes are long. Your turn. My eyelashes are long. One more time. My eyelashes are long. Good job. Blink. 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 Okay? Blink. I can blink my eyes. One more time. I can blink my eyes. Your turn. I can blink my eyes. One more time. I can blink my eyes. Good job. High five. Eyebrow. 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 Eyebrows. Eyebrows. 1 eyebrow. 2 eyebrows. Your turn. 1 eyebrow. 1 eyebrow. Very good. 2 eyebrows. Your turn. Very good, very good. I can raise my eyebrows. I can raise my eyebrows. Can you raise your eyebrows? All right, your turn. I can raise my eyebrows. Good. One more time. I can raise my eyebrows. Very good. Now, say, can you raise your eyebrows? Your turn. Raise your eyebrows. Okay, one more time. Can you raise your eyebrows? Good job. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.